Hi there, I'm Alex from WTI, and my shower has gotten a lot more enjoyable, all thanks to my new shower head.
This shower head from AquaCare was very easy to install. We were up and running within 10 minutes.
In the past, I've had my shower heads rust out and I've had to clean them and soak them in like a lime scale deposit remover. A lot of work and just not fun. This one here is made out of plastic parts, so nothing's gonna rust. This thing is going to last. I love that there's different pressure options and the pattern of water that falls. They've got a rain head, you've got a nice light trickle, you've got some heavy duty water coming out at you too if you want. My favorite part about this shower head is that it has a spray function where you can wash your shower down so easily, and it's got very high power water coming out of it, so it's really gonna get your shower nice and squeaky clean. I like the look of the shiny chrome, and the blue just adds to the little bit of like the aqua kind of vibes, water vibes. So if you're in the market for a new shower head, I highly recommend this one here, and that's my point of view.